who can see your phone number on your profile information. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your phone number on your profile information. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and here click on those three lines up there to get to this page. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and scroll down to find how people find and contact you. Now you have the option number 4, which is who can look you up using the phone number you provided, and here you can choose people who can see your phone number on your profile. Anyone on or off Facebook, which means everyone, or friends of friends, or your friends, or only me. To make it private, just click on it and choose one of them. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.